baby. It's the most simplest trick.
That's all. That's what it looks like. And so now we'll teach you all the basics and stuff.
Yes.
So first is what you want to do is just throw
Throw
it.
an amazing sleeper.
Throw it. Okay. Then you want to go like about halfway down and grab it. Not quite halfway.
Grab it.
Grab it. Then bring your hand all the way down.
Grab it again.
And
then open up your hand like that. And then just use your thumb and rock it back and forth.
Okay,
That's-
do a little
that's
better
all.
trick.
Some things that'll help you maybe.
Teach the sleeper.
Don't have knots in your string.
Yes.
Have a good throw. You know, have a good yo-yo. Honestly, I mean,
Yep.
some yo-yos they
The
suck.
locust is pretty terrible. The plateau.
This is the water.
The plotter is okay.
I would recommend
I recommend the horizon.
the Berserker. It's only $200, so that's all you need. I'm just joking. Well, $20 will be a really good yo-yo.
The daydream's pretty good.
15. I would recommend a Replay Pro for your first.
That or a locust.
Or Sage.
Because you can really, because you can upgrade
Sage.
responsive to underscore.
Sage.
You just got Sage. It's a pretty good yo-yo too. It's alright. Don't order from yo-yo.com though. They rip you off.
Yo-Yo Factory is the best by far. Okay. Or Yo-Yo Action.
Evan Nagao, you know, Gentry Stein, they're all the good people.
Okay, now can we start doing some real tricks?
Okay, so now we're going to go demonstrate it one more time.
Yep. One more time.
Here we go. Just grab it there.
And then.
And then you're done.
Okay. So then we
Now
have to
stop it. Now stop it.
stop it.